Exercise 9A6. The distance from the T to the flag F, particular hole on the golf course in. This is from T to F is 494, and so this is going to be golf of player shot, and it is going to be S, and STF is 22, and this is 220. Now question is calculate how far is the ball from the flag. So we want to calculate this distance. So SF distance. So let me take this is as X. From cosine rule, X square equal, and this one square plus this one square, 220 square plus 949 square, sorry, 494 square, then 2 times 220, 494 cos 22. This is going to be 909033117. Yes, X is square root this one. So this is going to be 302 yard approximately. That's why I have to read as SF equal 302 yards. Question number 7. We have to show that cos, this is A and BC. Cos A is 108. That's what we want to show. So cos A is this one. This is the A angle. Now sine rule, cosine rule. Cos A equal 4 square plus 5 square, then minus the opposite one, and 2 times 4, 5. So this is 16 plus 25 minus 36 over 40. So cos A is 1 over 8. Cos B is, this is going to be 2 square plus 4 square minus, sorry, 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square over 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 and 3. So 4, 9, 16 over Question number 9. Calculate the size of the smallest angle. So smallest angle you can see in front of the small side. So this is the small side, then this is going to be the smallest angle. So from cosine rule, uh, cos C, this is C angle, cos C equal, so the two adjacent squares, 10 square plus 6 square, minus the front square, divided by 2 times 2 adjacent, 10 times 6, 100 plus 36 minus 25, 20 times 6. Cos C is 0.925. C is cos inverse 0.925, which is 22.3 to the gradient to 3 significant figure. Number 10. Largest angle is front of the large side. So this is going to be the largest angle. Right? Cos B equal 2 adjacent 9.3 square plus 6. Then minus front square, then 2 times adjacent. This is equal 315, and B equal cos inverse minus 0.315 is going to be 108.37, or 108 degrees to 3 significant figure. Question number 11. The length of the sides of a triangle is 2 to 3 to 4. Now we don't know the distance. Okay, it may be 4 to 6 and 8. Sorry. The length may be, this length may be 4, and this length may be 6, and this is 8. It means you multiply by this one by 2. 2 times 2, 3 times 3. So then the distance is 4 and 6 and 8. So if you multiply by 3, there is going to be 6, 9 and 12. So we don't, so it can be then 6, 9, 12. But we don't know the correct length. So we'll assume multiply by x. So then this is going to be 2x, 3x, and 4x. So those are the ratios, and those are the distance. Now so which one is the smaller side? Then that is so 2. Then the next smaller one is this one, 3, and the other largest one is 4. So this is 2x, 3x, and 4x. Now we want to calculate the largest angle. I will take this largest angle always front of the large side. So large side is 4x, so this is going to be the angle. So I'll take alpha or theta. This angle is theta. Now from sine rule, cosine rule, cos theta equal, so those are the two adjacents, 2x square plus 3x square minus 4x square divided by 2 times this distance and the other distance. So this is going to be 4x square, 9x square minus 16x square over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12x square. While x square factorize from top, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 9 minus 16 over 12x square. So this is going to be minus 3x square over 12x square. X square to x square cancel out. Then this is minus 1 over 4. So cos theta equal minus 1 over 4. Then theta equal cos inverse minus 1 over 4. That is 0.477. So this is going to be 104 to 3 significance figure. Question number 12. ABC is x minus 3, BC is x plus 3, and AC is 8, and BAC is 60 degrees. Now we have to apply cos rule. Cosine rule. For this angle, because this is the only one we know, cos 60 equal 8 square plus x minus 3 square minus x plus 3 square 2 times 8 minus x minus 3. Then let's cos 60 is half. So okay, I'll cross multiply this one. 2 times 8 2 times 8 times x minus 3 times cos 60 equal 8 square plus x minus 3 square minus x plus 3. This is 16 x minus 3. This is half equal 64. 8x square equal 64, and this is going to be x square minus 6x plus 9 minus x square plus 6x plus 9. Now this is going to be to cancel out 8 times x minus 3, 64. This is x square minus 6x plus 9 minus x square minus 6x minus 9. So this is cancel out, and minus 9 plus 9 cancel out. 8 times x minus 3 equal 64 minus 12x. I can simplify this one with 4. I can divide everything by 4. This is going to be 2x minus 3, and this is okay. I will rewrite this one. 8 times x minus 3 divided by 4, 64 divided by 4, 12x divided by 4. This is the meaning of that everything is divided by 4. Now this answer, this is 1 and 2. 2x minus 3 equal 64 divided by 2, 32, and then this is 6x. Sorry, 64 divided by 4, 16, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now 2x minus 6 equals 16 minus 3x. So 5x equals 16 plus 6, which is 22 over, and x equal 22 over 5, which is 4.4 centimeter. X is 4.4 centimeter. Then yeah, if we need to find the length, then we have to write 4.5 minus 3, and this is 4.4 plus 3. This one, cos 60 cosine rule, cos 60, or will work the other way around. So we can write this one equal x minus 4 square equal this one plus this one square, 10 square plus x square, minus 2 times those two, 10 times x, times the relevant angle, cos 60. Hope you can remember this one. So this one equal, then if you select this one, the front one is the angle, then 2 adjacent squares minus 2 times 2 adjacent 10 square x square minus 2 times then again 10 multiplication of this one. So 10 times x times 2 and the cos 60. So this is going to be x minus 4 mean x square minus what is this one, 8x plus 16 equal, this is 100, and this is x square minus this is 20 times x, cos 60 is half. Now I can see this one and this one. I can cancel out, or if you are not sure, bring to left side x square minus x square. Then minus 8x plus 16. Then this is cancel out. Then minus 8 plus 16 equal 100 minus this is going to be 10x. 20 divided by 2, half. So I'll bring to this one here. 10x minus 8x equal 100 minus 16. 10x to here, 16 to other side. So 2x equal 100 minus 10, 90. 90 minus 6, 84. Divided by 2, x equal 42 centimeters. Now when you look at the question number 14, when you look at this question, we want to show this one. Now this is sides and this is angle. So the relationship between angles and the sides, you few equations. Sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, then cosine rule, sine rule. Now we work in the cosine, we know that straight away from cosine rule. Then I'll consider this one, the front of this one, y square equal, then the angle, this is the angle, if I select y square as it is, then the adjacent pi minus x square plus 4 plus x square equal to times pi minus x 4 plus x cos 120. So this is going to be 25 minus 10x plus x square plus 16 plus 8x plus x square minus 2 times 5 minus x 4 plus x, this is minus half cos 60. So this minus and this minus become plus. So first of all x square plus x square 2x square minus 10x plus 8x minus 2x and 16 plus 25, 25 plus 10 35 plus 6 41, and this is 2 to 2 cancel out and minus time minus positive, then 5 minus x 4 plus x. So 2x square minus 2x plus 41 plus, so this is going to be 5 times 4 9 20, and this is going to be 5x, and this is 4x, this is x square. 5 times 4 25 times x 5x minus 4x minus x square. So 2x squared minus x square minus 2x plus 5x minus 2x minus 1 minus 6 plus 5 minus 6, and this is going to be 41 plus 20 61. So y square equal x square minus plus 61. Now part B, we want to do the complete inner square, and actually if I take y square equal capital Y, then this is capital Y equal x square minus x plus 61. So this is going to be a graph with x and capital Y. So we need to know what is the, this is going to be a minimum graph because a greater than 0, and the minimum value we need to know. So then we start with the complete inner square. Capital Y equal x square minus x plus 61. Actually, we don't need to put capital Y. We can keep as it is if you want, if you are not confusing. So then this is going to be y square. Then this axis is x and this is not x, y. This is y square axis. Right? So then this is going to be y square. So then completing x minus half x square minus half square plus 61. So x minus half square, this is 61 minus 1 over 4. So x minus half square, this is going to be x minus half square, then 243 over 4, or x minus half a square plus 60.75. Now this is the graph x and y square, not y, and the symmetric line we can find x minus half a square equals 0, x equal half. So this is the symmetric line is going to be, and 60.75, this is y equals 60.75 line. So this is the minimum value. So what the coordinate of this one, this is x equal half a line. The coordinate of this point is half a 60.75. So this is not y square equals 60. So minimum value of y square, which is 60.75, occur when x value is half. If you put any other x values, it's not going to be a minimum. Question number 15. AB is x, BC 5. Then we want to show that ABC triangle, or sometime we will write like this. So in that case, triangle is not A, triangle not C. Sorry, the angle is not A or C, it is B. In the middle always you can see. You know that, just to revise. So this is the one. Right. So we'll write the equation. Okay, or we can write ABC. ABC angle equal this one, x square plus 5 square minus 2 times 5 and x divided by sorry, this is wrong, x square, this is the angle, so this is the two adjacent, x square plus 5 square minus 10 minus x square, and because it is the front one, and 2 times those two, 5 and x. So x square plus 25 minus 100 minus 20x plus x square equal 10x. I keep within the bracket because this is minus. So x square plus 25 minus 100 plus 20x minus x square over 10x. Now this is cancelled out, and this is going to be 75 plus 20x over 10x. I can divide by 5. This is going to be 25. Okay, I will do like this. 5 is common. I will take 5 out. This is 25, no 15. And this is 4x over 10x. This is 5 and this is 2. So 15 plus 4x over 2x. So this is not the answer. What is the error? This is minus 100, then this has to be minus 75. Then this has to be minus. It must be, this is minus. It means I can write like this. There are two terms, minus 15 and plus 4x. So this is one term and this is one term. I change those two terms. It means plus 4x1 another one is minus 15. So it means 4x minus 15 over 2x. Now it's fine. Now this ABC value in part B is given as minus 1 over 7. Now ABC also this one, ABC over minus 1 over 7. Then our conclusion is 4x minus 15 over 2x equal minus 1 over 7. Now we can simplify this one. Actually, we write here 15 over 2x equal minus 1 over 7. So I'll write 7 times 4x minus 15 equal minus 1 times 2x. I cross multiply. This is 20x, 28 times 15 times 7 equal minus 2x. Now I'll bring to here 22x plus 2x equal 15 times 7. This is going to be 24x equal 15 times 7. So x equal 15 times 7 divided by 24. So 3 times 5, 3 times 8. So this is 35 over 8. Again, 7 times 4 is 28. So this is 28, and as a result this is become 30. X equal 15 times 7 divided by 30. This is 1 and this is 2. 7 over 2, which is 3.5. Question number 16. A farmer has this shape of field, and he wants to know this angle. And good thing is he knows the two sides of this one. And if we can find this front side length, then by cosine rule the farmer can find the angle. Now, any chance of finding this one? Again, for this triangle, when you look at front of this space is this angle I know, two sides I know. Then I can simply find this distance. When I know this distance, I can apply cosine rule again and I can find the angle. Cosine rule we are applying two times, first to find the length and second to find the angle. So now we'll start. Apply cosine rule. ABD triangle. Then I will take this is X, or you can stay with BD or DB. So I'll stay with DB. DB square equal 75 square plus 120 square minus 2 times 75 120 cos 74. This is going to be 14,400 5625 minus 4961.4724. Then dB square equal phi 2. So dB equal 122.733. Now part B, I know this distance and I accidentally erased everything. Now I draw again, and I know this distance, I know this distance, then I can find this angle. So apply cosine rule to BDC triangle. Then this is going to be cos C. Cos C, I'll take this one equal this one plus this one square, 135 square plus 60 square minus 122.733 square divided by 2 times 135 times 60. So cos C equal, you will get 0.417 and C equal cos inverse 0.417, which is 65.3 3, and it is 65.3 to 3 is significant degrees. So this is 16.53 basically. Question number 17. Calculate the distance between B and C in the kilometers. Distance between B and C. This is, so there are 3 boats, A, B, C, and we want to know that distance from B to C. So it is again normal. We can find, because this is a triangle, we don't know this distance, but we know these details. We can put the cosine rule. So BC square equal 50 square plus 70 square minus 2 times 50 times 70 times cos 20. So BC square equal 2500 and 00749, and this is multiplication 50 times 20, 1000, 2000 cos 20, and BC square equal 822.15. So BC approximately, and BC equal 28.673. Or let's say BC equal approximately 28.72, 3 significance figures. So this is 28.7. Now part B, we want to find the bearing of this one. Bearing means the angle when you measure from north. So this angle. This all 180. If I know this angle alpha, then 180 minus alpha is this one. So that's the plan. So we'll work on. Again, I want to put cosine rule, and I can find the angle. So we'll again cosine rule. From cosine rule, cos alpha equal 50 square plus 28.7 square minus 70 square divided by 2 times 50 times 28.7. Then this is 50 square minus 70 square uh, plus 28.7 square over this is 2 times 50 100. 100 times 28.7 means 2870. So this is 50 minus 70, difference of 2 square, and 50 plus 20, sorry, 50 plus 70, 50 plus 70 plus 28.7 square. So this is minus 20 times this is going to be 9. So this is 2870. So this is going to be minus 20 times this is 120 plus 28.7 square over 2870 equal minus 0.550. So cos alpha equal minus 0.550. Okay, 55. Alpha equal cos inverse minus 0.55, which is 123.38. And now this one, okay, I'll put this is beta equal 180 minus alpha, 180 minus 123.38, 56.62. So let's say approximately 57. Or we'll stay with this one. Then the bearing is bearing of shape C from B is 056.6 degrees.